Welcome back to Segmented, the channel where I go deep into the world of snap-off knives. Today I'm looking at a knife that isn't from Olfa or Anticutter. It's from Kai, a Japanese company best known for the kitchen knives and scissors. This is the Kai S-003 snap-off knife. The build is solid, golden color metal from tip to tail, so it feels durable and resistant to flex. The handle is plastic with very fine texture. It is enough to feel grippy and secure. It takes standard 9mm blade size, and Kai includes their own blades, which are actually really sharp. Not surprising since they make blades across many industries. The plastic handle extends over most of the metal slider, around 2/3, providing a sturdy grip while leaving a slim front end suited for precision work. The auto lock works very smooth and secure. There is no back cup or a pocket clip. Instead, the knife ends with a simple square-off back, keeping that minimalistic look. Be careful when sliding the blade back in. If not paying attention, you might remove it completely. Thanks to the placement of the auto lock notches and a dedicated notch that marks when the blade is fully inserted, you'll gradually develop a feel for when the blade is properly seated, preventing it from being accidentally pulled out completely. Kai blades are excellent. They're sharp, polished, and cut cleanly. I put them on par with Olfa's standard blades, maybe even a little smoother on the initial cut. And of course, since it's a 9mm standard, you can swap in blades from Olfa, Anticutter, or any other brand if you prefer. The handle and auto lock mechanism give a sturdy, reliable feel with each cut. Pros: very sharp and smooth Kai blades, minimal, solid and grippy handle, slim front end for precision work, standard 9mm blade compatibility, sturdy auto lock mechanism. Cons: there's no tail cap, so the blade can slide out completely if the user don't stop on time. No built-in snapper, and no blade storage. The S-003 sits in a sweet spot between the Anticutter A250 and the Olfa SVR2, carrying quality from both. From the A250, it borrows the simplicity and dependable sturdiness of a plastic handle that feels solid in every use. From the SVR2, it takes the slim and streamlined form that makes it ideal for precision cutting tasks. Put together, the S-003 feels like a balanced option. Rugged enough for regular work, yet refined enough for detail-oriented jobs. The Kai S-003 is a beautiful, simple snap-off knife. It doesn't try to compete on features, no extra blade storage, no built-in snapper. It nails the basic with a clean, minimal design and razor-sharp blades. I'd recommend it if you like minimal design, if you want something that feels almost like a precision tool, or if you just want to try a snap-off knife outside the big two brands. That's my review of the Kai S-003. If you've used this knife, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're new here, welcome to the journey. This is Segmented, and I'll see you in the next one.